Welcome to a new tutorial about KUNOMAIL. We are delighted to have you back. Or perhaps this is your first time. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to easily integrate a Microsoft email account into KUNOMAIL. All common Microsoft domains are supported, including outlook.com, hotmail.com, live.com, msn.com, office365.com, microsoft.com, and exchange-microsoft.com. Thanks to the new OAuth support, setup is now particularly easy, secure, and fast. Sit back and let us guide you through the process at your leisure. We'll be there for you from start to finish. Before you can set up your Microsoft account in KUNOMAIL, you must enable external access to your email account via IMAP POP3 with Microsoft. Open your web browser and go to https://outlook.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account email address and password. After logging in, click the App Launcher tile in the top left corner. Then click the Outlook icon. Next, click on the Settings menu tile. This is located at the top right of the screen. Your email settings will now open. Enable forwarding and IMAP/POP3. Navigate to the Forwarding and IMAP menu item. If you haven't logged in yet, please click the Login button. If you have already done so, simply skip this step. In this dialog, enable the IMAP option to access your emails in KUNOMAIL. Then save your settings. Now launch or open your KUNOMAIL to integrate a Microsoft email account into KUNOMAIL. Once KUNOMAIL is launched, click on the Administration menu item and then on Email account. In the dialog that appears, enter your Microsoft email address and then your password. Confirm your entries by clicking the Save button. Your Microsoft email account is not saved using the traditional username and password method. The current security standard is OAuth. During initial setup and at regular intervals in the future, you will be directed to a Microsoft login page to confirm your access directly with Microsoft. Now click Next to be directed to the Microsoft login page. On the Microsoft login page, you must select the desired email account. If you have more than one Microsoft account, you will be offered a selection here. Now confirm your Microsoft email account by entering your email account password. Depending on your Microsoft email account type, you will be presented with the security settings for accessing your email account. To allow KUNOMAIL access to your email account, you must confirm this dialog by clicking the Accept button. After completing the Microsoft OAuth login, your email account is successfully set up and saved in KUNOMAIL. You can now close the email account management and access your Microsoft account emails as they are already loading in the background. KUNOMAIL has now successfully connected your Microsoft account and has already downloaded your emails. Depending on the size and volume of your mailbox, this process may take a short while. Don't worry. KUNOMAIL is working in the background, synchronizing all your messages. Thank you for your valuable attention. We hope that integrating your Microsoft email account with KUNOMAIL worked smoothly and made your everyday life easier. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to continuing to support you in using KUNOMAIL and hope you enjoy your new optimized email experience.